Where's your eggies? Find them. Here, can you do the video?
Yeah.
Look. Gotta get the eggies. Come here. Take your basket. Uh-oh! There, I see an egg!
Look.
I see an egg right here.
Charlotte.
What's that?
Oh,
What's this?
Mama.
What's this? Hey, you found one! Look! You found one!
Good girl, Charlotte.
Put it in your basket. Put it in your basket. Go. Boop. You found it in there.
Careful, baby. It's not gonna happen, honey.
Look. Charlotte, what's this? Here, I'll help you walk to it. Ready? Yeah. Look. What do you find? Look. Where do we put that? Where do we put it? You're right, it goes in the basket. 2 eggies! 2! Okay, where's another eggie? Go find your stroller. Look. Where's your stroller? There's another eggie. Go find it. Where's the eggie? Where's the eggie?
So not interested.
Where's the eggie? Charlotte! Charlotte, where's the eggie? Where's the eggie? Where's the eggie?
He does not care, honey.
Look! Look!
Charlotte.
Look!
Charlotte.
Where's the eggie?
She found it.
Eggie!
Yeah, she didn't care. And that one's cracked.
Still put it in.
Charlotte,
Ready?
look. Look. Look.
Here's another
Good
eggie. How many?
job.
4. Okay, there's one more over there. Go to your kitchen. Yay! You found it. Charlotte, you found it. Charlotte, where's the egg? Where's Eggie? Where's the Eggie? Yay! You found it!
She finally found one on her own.
Charlotte, look at Mommy! Look at
Charlotte.
Mommy!
Charlotte
Look at
Ava.
Mommy! Yay!
Charlotte Ava.
Yay! Baby girl found one. So where do we put it? Where do we put it? Can you put it in here? Put it in your basket. Put it in here with the other eggies. Yay!
Take them out. Put it in. Put it in for her.
Oh. Yeah, that one doesn't shake. There you go.
Good job.
Let's bring the basket over here. There's a couple more. Charlotte, what's this?
Where's the other big egg? Isn't there another?
Yeah, there's one in there, and there's one in the stroller. In her stroller. Look! Charlotte, where's another eggie?
Isn't there another real egg?
No, there's
Sure.
one more. Yeah. What'd you find? You found another egg! Yay,
She dropped it.
Charlotte!
She dropped it
Where?
behind her.
put it in the basket. Put it in the basket. Charlotte. Okay, ready? There's a couple more. Do you want help? I have to remember where to put them all. She did a good job finding a blue one. Come here.
Mm-hmm.
Go on. Careful.
Cracked a couple of these.
Now, whatever. Okay, ready? Where's the green egg? Where's the green egg? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, yay! Charlotte, get the eggie. Okay, one more. Charlotte. Charlotte Ava, come here. One more egg. One more. Where is it? Where is the eggie? Where'd you find it? Yay! The eggie! One more with the eggie.
Close.
Now let's go count your eggies. How many did you find?
Just what did I hit? This.
Oh, there's one more over there.
Oh.
Come on. Hey, bring these to basket. One more eggie. Where's the eggie? Eggie! Charlotte! Charlotte! Look over here. Charlotte, where's your eggs?